आमचो लोक जायतो हांव पळयता की ह्यो प्रेस्टेज इश्यू कहो म्हणून ह्यो रॉटवेलराक हें कोत्तात पोसतात तो रेअर कोत्तात पूण प्रॉब्लम कितें आहा ह्या फ्लॅटांनी कन्फायन्ड स्पेस आहा ती ह्या एडवायसेबल न्हू कित्याक तांकां ओपन स्पेस जाय मातसो फ्रिडम जाय आनी मुवमेंट करूंक जाय सॉरी जाता त्या भुरग्याक हें केलें अटॅक केलें आनी हें जालें म्हणून आनी लोकां कडेनूय मागता हें पळय रॉटवेलरांक फ्रिडम जाय रॉटवेलर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ब्रीड प्रॉब्लम ना अनअटेंडेड सोडपाचो नो.
Hi, this is Sejal from Angels for Animals, and it is with a very heavy heart that I am addressing this issue today of the Rottweiler biting that 10-year-old girl. It is absolutely not the fault of the animals. It is the fault of the owner. It is lack of proper upbringing and proper training and proper care. Unfortunately, many people are buying these breeds because it's a status symbol, and that is the root of the problem. Pet ownership and responsible pet ownership is a subject that needs to be spoken about, and awareness needs to be created because this problem is occurring due to lack of education and understanding the dog that you are buying.
सो म्हाजो एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा लोकां कडेन ह्या पेट्यांक सुद्दां तुमी तितक्याच रिस्पेक्टान वागोवपाक जाय. नॉट ओन्ली पॅट जे घरान दवरता पूण जे भायर स्ट्रीट डॉग आसता तेंच्या कडेन सुद्दां. हें हांव कित्याक उलयतां बिकॉज आय हॅड सीन दीस हांवें हें सगळें पळयलेलें आसा. लोक कितें करतात ते पेटे काय तुमचे वाटेक येयना कोणाच्या बेश्टेच तेंचेर गुणे मारप तेंचेर बडयो मारप किंवा गरम उदीक हाडून तेंचेर घालप आनी तेंच्यांनी चावले काय तुमकां इशू करपाचे आसता. तुमी जर तांकां तेंच्या पोटाक जर कांय घालूंक शकना न्ही तर तेंचे वाटेकूच वचनाकात.
So one is, it is the responsibility of the owner to take care of its pet in a rightful manner. There are laws. Okay. Second is, when the first incident occurred, what did the government do and what the government should have done? One is, of course, because the Commission for Children got into action. Okay, the owner was taken into custody, and he was fined, and whatever had to be done as per law was done. But was there an inventory made of how many dogs are there in the state? Okay, especially dogs of certain breeds, correct? So that awareness can be created with the owners that your dog, there are certain laws, even animal rights organizations are there. So with a collaboration, that awareness needs to be created, and a policy has to be made where people who have dogs are responsible. They also don't let out their animals, especially if they are not peaceful or if there is some kind of aggression out in the open.
जो the सुने owner आहा, the owner has to take the owner's responsibility, pay for all the expenditures. So all the owners of the dogs has to be labeled responsible for this. देव बरें करूं.